third party. I really don't see the point of having.
Chino 30, Chino 26, where you at?
I'm hitting 4 north and I'm going to turn on towards 1 west.
He was elected and his own party.
10-4. Which way you headed, north 25?
At least as bad as
South right now, crossing Memory Park on 1 west.
I'm coming out right now at Memory Park.
Turning left on Palomino.
Okay, I got eyes on you.
10-4, he's watching me.
Yeah, he hasn't requested funding for the wall. The only funding he's requested is $1.6 billion to study it. And he hasn't requested anything else. And that passed a House committee.
okay, all right. So
tell me where the
I'm gonna light him up.
failed to support President Trump, because I've never heard that one.
Republicans have opened borders.
Okay. Give me an example of where Republicans.
I'm trying to stop him. I'm lighting him up.
North 25, 10-4. 41, hold traffic. North 41, 10-4.
North 25 is failing to stop.
North 25, failing to stop. 20.
Palomino, 500 block.
10-4, copy, 500 block, Palomino.
Chino 30, he's pulling into 440 Palomino.
Put your hands out the window! Put your hands out!
Good. Fire, gun.
Drop the gun!
Shots fired on. Shots fired.
You okay?
Chino 30, shots fired. Give me fire.
I don't see him.
Guns on the ground. I see him. I knocked him. Guns on the ground.
You want me to go swing?
Let's just wait
Okay.
to get more bodies. I'll put it here. Doors unlocked if you need it.
North 31, 97. North 31, 10-4. North 14, 10. North 14, 10-4.
Get the shield. Stay right there, Jones. Just stay right there.
He's got eyes on him.
Keep eyes on him. What'd he say?
He's not moving! He's not moving!
10-4, copy, he's not moving. Give it over the air so we can hear you. Chino 24, be advised, I got eyes on the driver. He is not moving. I can't tell what's in his hand, but he is not moving.
10-24, 10-4. No, 41, we're about 2 out. 10-4, Chino 5, 10 fire roll interstage.
Chino 30, stand by what? Chino 30, I need you to call the
What?
mortuary, Chino Valley mortuary, tell them to get to the west side of the building and show up right now.
Okay, let's get on the driver's side.
Chino 16.
Okay.
You want to come around to my position?
The rifle's on the ground.
41 at 47 or 97.
I'll move over and take that side, Steve. Moving up.
24 to units, no movement, still no movement. That's what you can see his right hand.
I can't see his right hand. His right hand.
Driver, put your hands out the window.
But he is not moving
You
at
call
all.
him?
Here's what I want to do. I want to walk up. I want to kick that rifle back to the guys behind me.
Watch crossfire.
Okay?
Driver, put your hands out the window.
Okay, here's what I want to do. I want to get up. I want to kick the rifle back behind me.
His head's moving, his head's moving, his head's moving.
I didn't hear 24, go ahead and have Lifeline Medical stage so we get this
Do you want me to call out any more commands?
Yeah,
Driver, put your hands out the window.
Medical is staged.
His head's moving. His head is moving.
There is no movement whatsoever. He might have something in his right hand on his lap. But
Driver, put your hands out the window.
Do you want to approach him on this side, or do you want to do faster?
What?
I want to do this side. I want to get that gun out of the way. I don't want that gun there.
Okay, Jeff, hold on. You got another rifle coming around.
Okay, let's go with two rifles up there.
Is my car shut?
Okay, yes.
I'll tell you in a minute.
Watch crossfire.
Watch the crossfire. Watch crossfire, Chad!
About third party. I really don't see the point of having.
Chino 30, Chino 26, where you at?
I'm hitting 4 north and I'm going to turn on towards 1 west.
He was elected and his own party
10-4. Which way you headed, north 2 side?
at least as bad as
South right now, crossing Memory Park on 1 west.
I'm coming out right now at Memory Park.
Turning left on Palomino.
Okay, I got eyes on you.
10-4, he's watching me.
He hasn't requested funding for the wall. The only funding he's requested is $1.6 billion to study it. And he hasn't requested anything else. And that passed a House committee.
Okay, all right. So
tell me where the
I'm gonna light him up.
failed to support President Trump, because I've never heard that one.
Republicans have opened borders.
North 25, 10-9.
Give me an example of where Republicans...
I'm trying to stop him. I'm lighting him up.
North 25, 10-4. 41, hold traffic. North 41, 10-4.
North 25 is failing to stop.
North 25, failing to stop. 20.
Palomino, 500 block.
10-4, copied, 500 block, Palomino.
Chino 30, he's pulling into 440 Palomino.
Put your hands out the window! Put your hands out!
Good! Start fire! Gun!
Drop the gun!
Shots fired on home traffic. Shots fired.
You okay?
Chino 30, shot fire! Give me fire!
I don't see him.
Guns on the ground! I see him! I knocked him! Guns on the ground!